Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. As you can see, this is really colorful and delicious salad we are making today. I tell you, it's so nutritious and the family will love it. So come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes that your family can enjoy. So come along and let's do this nutritious salad. So guys, let's cut our veggies. So guys, as you can see, we have some sweet corn, some avocado, we have some eggs, okay, and then we have some peppers, some carrots, some onions, and we have some cucumber, and the star of the show is the chickpea, okay, my roasted chickpea. So let's assemble our salad. So guys, our salad is done now. I'm going to add some salad cream. You can add vinaigrette if you prefer, but I love the salad cream because it makes it so creamy, and the avocado also make it so creamy. And you know, my spicy chickpeas also give that spicy taste. I tell you, you are going to love this recipe. So if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.